Welcome to Volatility 411 for Equity Armor Investments. I'm Joe Teagate. Let's jump right into it. The VIX front month future is on the high of the day right now as I'm recording this video at 27.45. The VIX is close to 28, not quite on its high of the day, but still very elevated. Now this morning I woke up and the market was mostly unchanged. The VIX futures were lower, and then boom, Credit Suisse came out and they're down 25%. The rest of the European banking sector, as the domestic regional banking crisis seems to be exported now to Europe, and we have more uncertainty ahead. Lots going on in the market. It's a very confusing and uncertain time. It seems like things are unraveling, but again, we just have to wait and see. Perhaps some of the liquidity added to the banks, that's going to be good for the markets. And the other thing that the markets might wake up to is that interest rates have fallen so quickly. Maybe what broke the regional banks last week was to see the 2-year at 5%. We were at 4% this week, or maybe 4.2%. So that interest rate has fallen so quickly, and the inflation expectations, or the inflation numbers we got this week, were in line or better than expected. So maybe next week in the Fed meeting will be a different story. The Fed might raise 25 basis points and then give a dovish message after that. We'll have to wait and see how that plays out, but we're at a very pivotal time right now for the markets, to say the least. It could go either way for me, and that's why it's so exciting. And for me, always a time where I have to have some protection on with any of my trades. That's why I'm glad I had it on this morning when the VIX was lower, and right now I can take advantage of that. For Equity Armor Investments, I'm Joe Teagate.